What's up, everybody? My name is Joris. I'm the co-founder, project coordinator, and coach here at cuttingedgestudio.com. I'm also an award nominee and best-selling author of over 14 suspense novels and non-fiction books about publishing and marketing. And I'm here today to talk a little bit about our process here at Cutting Edge Studio and what you can expect if you would like to work with us. Now, we want to help as many authors out as we can for a reasonable price. That's why we started this company. We just want to make sure that the entire process of publishing and marketing your book is just as relaxed as it can be. So without any stress, without any issues, just make sure that it's all going as planned. Now, the best thing you can do is start booking a free Zoom call with us, or fill up the contact form on our website so we can get back to you via email. That way we can answer any questions you might have and we can see if we are a good fit. We believe in a very personal approach, not only to answer any questions regarding our process, but also just any publishing or marketing questions you might have in general. We just love to help you out on that part as well, so feel free to ask. Now, if you decide to work with us, we're going to send you a contract and, more importantly, a questionnaire with roughly 15 to 20 questions about your book and about yourself. That way we have a good understanding of what you're looking for and what we can create, of course. Now, for instance, one of those questions is that you go on Amazon and find 4, 5, or 6 covers that you like. So we have a little bit more understanding of what you're looking for as well. But also you have a few questions about book format, what type of paper you would like, if you already have an ISBN number, or if you have a book blurb already. Or maybe you need our help with that as well. So that way we can just see what we can help you with. Now, after you send that back to us, we're going to take a look at it and answer any questions you still might have. And after that, we're going to send all the information to one of our cover designers or other designers in general if you decide to have us create a book trailer or format your book or have any other services done for you. If you already took a look at our website and have a preference of the designer or artist that you'd like to work with, you can always let us know that, of course, and we can set you up with that particular artist. After that, the designer will contact you directly to introduce themselves, and they're gonna start work on your book. Now, often they create 1, 2, 3, or sometimes even 4 or more what we call mock-ups, so initial cover designs based on the information you gave us in your questionnaire. Now, let's say, just for argument's sake, you like the second cover design. Now, often you still like to have something different, so like a different font or different color or different picture. In general, you go back and forth with the cover designer until you're completely happy with the result. And if in the one of the 4 designs there's not a design that you like, then based on your comments, the cover designer will create another cover design for you. So basically, you go back and forth as long as needed until you're completely happy with the end result. And with all of our designs, with all our services, you'll be working one-on-one with that creator. So no middleman. So that way, if you have any questions or if the designer or artist have any questions for you, it's a quicker solution to get those answered. Now, we work with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, meaning that if we can't create the cover of your dreams or format a book in a certain way or create a book trailer in a certain way that you're not happy with, we just refund you completely, no questions asked. This has never happened to us before because we keep always go back and forth until you're completely happy, but still it's good for you to know that. We work with PayPal, so that's pretty universal, and you only need to pay 50% upfront, and you only pay the second 50% right before we send you the final files, and that you're completely happy with the end result. Now, our team is pretty universal. As you can hear from my accent, I'm not from the States or from the UK, I'm from the Netherlands, but we work with designers all over the world. So we have people from the US, from New Zealand, Australia, you name it, Europe, so we're pretty universal. Now, feel free to book a free 30-minute Zoom call with us. Even if you're not planning on working with us or just have some questions about our process or some publishing or marketing questions in general, we'd love to help you out. So you can find a link down here, and I hopefully see you soon.